Welcome, boys, in your English class. Today in English, we are going to study our Unit 2 and Lesson 2. The name of our Unit 2 is Good Neighbors, whereas the Lesson 2 is Where Do You Live? It is on page number 22 and 23 of your learner's book, English learner's book. So half part of this lesson we have studied on our last English class, in which we have studied where Fiona lives, what is her age, whether she lives in a house or she lives in a apartment building. Then we have studied a map and a letter with an address. This is called apartments. This was map and this was letter with address. So today we are going to study page number 23. And in page number 23, the second part of lesson 2, we are going to study continents and different between apartment building or house. So it is on page number 23 of your learner's book. Number 2, continents. Fiona lives in the UK. The UK is in Europe. Europe is a continent. How many continents are there? Which one do you live in? So as you can see in the picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many continents are there? 7. We are going to discuss it in detail. Just write 7 here. Which one do you live in? We live in Asia. So write in the front of second question, Asia. A-S-I-A, Asia. Fiona lives in the UK, United Kingdom. UK means United Kingdom. The UK is in Europe, this part of the earth, okay? Europe is a continent. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents, boys. Which one do you live in? And we live in Asia. In Arabic, you can say Asia. Okay. Moving on. Okay. Where do you live in globe? This is called a globe. It is a structure of Earth. A planet where we live, it is like this, and globe is representative of that earth. Continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents in the world: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Oceania, and Antarctica. What is your continent? What is our continent, boys? Our continent is Asia. You can see the green arrow. We live in this continent and it is Asia. In Arabic, we say it Asia. Continents of Earth. So now we are going to see how many continents are there in the world. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Oceania and Antarctica. You can see here, where is Africa, where is Europe, where is Asia, where is North America, South America, Antarctica. So how many continents are there in world? There are 7 continents. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Oceania, Oceania, IA, you will say Oceania, and Antarctica. So when we talk about address, there are different kinds of houses in which we live. There are some houses like this, and there are some apartment buildings like this, which has more than one floor, okay? So there are two types of houses in which we live. First of all, there is a picture of a house that is separate, and this is called a house. One person, one family can live in this house. Whereas in apartment building, there are many floors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, and sixth floor. So in this apartment building, we have 6 floors, and on every floor there different people live. So in apartment buildings, many people can live in apartment building, whereas in house, there only one family can live. So apartment building. As I have told you people, apartment building has 6 floors, okay? So what we do, it can be 6 or it can be more than 6. So we use lift. Lift is an elevator, or you can say a room, electrical room, in which we go inside, we press the number of the floor, and then we reach there, here like this. What is this? These are the buttons in a lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you are going to press on 8, you are going to go on floor number 8 of your apartment building. Understand? If you are going to press 1, you are going to go in floor number, first floor, okay? So if there is in apartment buildings, there are many floors, you cannot walk or you cannot go with the help of stairs, because there will be many stairs and you are going to get tired as you reach up. So what you are going to do, you are going to use a lift in the building. Lift is electronic room in which you can go and it will take you up or down in the building. There are some buttons of the lift where you can choose the number of floors. So lift in apartment building, we have ground floor. What is the ground floor? The first floor, this one with the red gates. This is ground floor. First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, and sixth floor. If you are going to press, if you want to go on floor number 3, you are going to press the button of floor number 3. So you can land on third floor. Memorize this, boys. Ground floor, first floor, second floor, and we have third floor. Okay, the vocabulary words in this lesson that we are going to study are continents, globe, apartment, house, and lift. What is continents? These are 7 continents in the world: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Antarctica, and Oceania. We live in Asia. In English, in Arabic, you can say Asia. We live in Asia. Then we have a globe. This is called globe, which tells us different places on our earth. It is like a map. We can rotate it and see different countries on the globe. Then we have apartment building, a building in which there are different flats on different floors. They are called apartment building, Imara. Imara or apartment building. Then we have house. You know, a house in which one family lives is called a house. And then we have lift. Lift is an apartment building. It helps the people go up and brings them back down. So in apartment building, we have ground floor, first floor, and second floor, and so on. If the building is longer, like you can see in Panda, I think, Burj, there is 25 floors, I think, or 15, 20, 25 floor. I think it is 25 floors. So in apartment buildings, there are different types of floors, like towers. They are tall and there are different floors. And many people lives in apartment building. Those who live in houses, there is only one family that lives in house. But apartment buildings has different flats, so there different peoples can live on different floor. The last word is lift. Lift is an electronic room which is installed inside the building. If you want to go on third floor, second floor, first floor, or you want to come down to the ground floor, it helps you to go up. There are different kinds of button in the lift which you use to go on required floor. Understand? So hurry up, boys. Write these vocabulary words in your notebook. Continents. How many continents are there? 7 continents. Number 1, North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Antarctica, Oceania. So these are 7 continents of world. Then we have a globe. Globe, this is called globe. Apartments, here, apartment building, house, and lift. So boys, write these vocabulary words in your notebook so that we can move further also.